Good morning, all of you. I am Pragya Mishra from Firoz Gandhi Polytechnic, Library. So, I am today discuss about my project Desire Card. There are many types of Desire Card are many types of pages. First page is home. In home, only slider and current product and slider. Sorry, menu. And next page is product. Product divided in three categories. First is males. In males in there are many types of subcategory. And next category is men's. In men's many types of subcategory. And then next is kids. And kids is in kids categories many types of subcategory. And next page is my orders. In my orders in my orders current orders in my orders page. Okay, next is my profile. In my profile we click our edit profile and change update my profile. Let's open and update. So this is update. And next, customer support. You you are contacting me from customer support. Okay, my address, my mobile number, and next page is feedback. You are giving me feedback. Okay, next page in sign up. Your registration form fill in sign up page and click on register now. Okay, next page in sign in page. In sign in page you are login and add any products. First we are add subcategory. Okay, so add subcategory. It's pant and shirt. Okay, today date is 30 and this sale. Okay, next go to product and add a product. Let's women's pant shirt. First choose file. Open and name and shirt. Okay, price 5,999 and this price 359. Okay, and next size medium and the color is black and description this is only for women's This is only for women's pant shirt. Okay. Next we have date. Today date 30. Same. And we are see this product, current product. Okay. And gold women's, and it's a tape. This is okay. Pant and shirt. This is only for women's pant shirt. And size is medium. Price 35.99 and this one. Color is black. Okay. And order now. Okay. Order now. Okay. And this is order now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So thank you Techpile and Techpile family and Divya ma'am Rahul sir. Okay. Thank you.